Welcome to this video about ABB Building Edge. In this video, we will look at site creation and the beauty of semantics and tags. Most software platforms are technically driven and based on physical devices and points with little documentation, no context, and insufficient semantics. You would need to be a technical guru to understand all these use cases and information. OpenBOS, on the contrary, is shaped by usage, and it gives a common context to the entire application, thanks to its built-in semantics and tagging system. Imagine trying to retrieve and manage a light within a digital platform, for example. If each light were only identified by its technical characteristics, can you be sure you're working on the right light when there are literally thousands of identical lamps in the building? Thanks to OpenBOS, every single device, space, and asset is contextualized based on real usage, so we know what we're working with. In our case, this would be a light in dimming mode in a personal office in the ABB tenant area on the 4th floor of the building located in Toulouse. Let's see how this works in the tool. Under Site in the top menu, click Site Definition to enter or edit site characteristics. Under Overview, you can enter basic information such as the site's name, address, and GPS coordinates, as well as additional information such as site type, main usage, gross surface area, and occupancy. All this information is stored in the OpenBOS ontology, offering you contextualization. It is made available via the API and lets you create advanced KPIs such as energy usage per type of site, per square meter, or per person. Then, click the Structure tab. Here you can add all the main structural elements of the building. Unlike the other software, you do not simply add floors. You can indicate whether the element is a roof, the facade, the ground floor, and so on. Since all elements are contextualized, you must also enter their characteristics, such as its usage, occupancy, and gross and net surface areas. The contextualization will prove useful in performing many operations, and it is what makes OpenBOS so pleasant to use. Let's now see how the tagging system works. Click Library in the top menu. Here you can access the different types of templates and their corresponding instances. Let's look at the asset templates. Here we can see that they are divided into function categories, such as HVAC, comfort, and sensors, as well as into subcategories. For the HVAC category, for example, OpenBOS proposes central and terminal HVAC as subcategories. Under Actions, click the pencil icon for any template to view and edit its details to the right. Under Search Tags, you can see the automatic tag attributed by OpenBOS to this template based on its properties. Under Points, you can see the associated data points. Click the pencil icon for any data point to see its details. Each data point has a name and description and type, indicating whether it is a command to write or feedback to read. OpenBOS also manages all data units with an automatic conversion according to your location. Just as before, you can see the automatic tag created for this data point. You can also add a custom tag for a specific project you're working on, for example. Every time you create a new template or instance, the system automatically attributes a tag. As objects are linked to other objects, the tags are automatically updated in consequence, populating the OpenBOS ontology and facilitating object contextualization and identification. Here we are dealing with tags for assets, but know that all objects are tagged: assets, spaces, devices, data points, users, permissions, and so on. That way, no information is ambiguous and everything is crystal clear. That's the beauty of semantics and tags in OpenBOS.